As we get going on this Friday morning, look at the snow showers coming down in Gallup. Light snow at this time, but we've had snow reports this morning out of Gallup over towards Grants, the Farmington area, also Pagosa Springs, Cortez over towards the Durango area too. We've got the snow showers going. We're watching for flurries and snow showers around Los Alamos and Santa Fe this morning. This yet another storm system that probably keeps the precipitation just north of Albuquerque, but it'll be a close call later on today. It's the final round of strong winds riding out today. This storm system reestablishes the winter chill and it lingers into Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon and then early next week, temperatures are going to make another big time surge for us. Got today's cold front coming through this morning before lunchtime, and so there's going to be a quick ramping up of wind speeds here just after sunrise. Note this front, it's already cleared eastern New Mexico by about noon or 1, and at that time the winds are just fully switched on and continue to blast us this afternoon. Snow in northern New Mexico, southern Colorado will tend to wind down by about this evening or so, but we do have winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and yeah, in that high country in southern Colorado, avalanche warnings have been issued as this series of storm systems has just been piling up the snow on the mountains of southern Colorado and also into northern New Mexico. Once the storm clears, boy, the skiing conditions this weekend are going to be great. Big wind field in play this afternoon, strongest east. It takes a 55-mile-per-hour wind gust here in Albuquerque for a wind advisory to be issued. We don't quite expect a number that big, but it'll be close. But where we have these advisories and warnings out east, 60 and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts can't be ruled out. The fire danger is extreme up and down eastern New Mexico, especially our border counties with West Texas. Now, tonight as the winds settle and the sky goes mostly clear, it's going to be a cold one, our coldest night of the week as we head into Saturday morning. A lot of us down in the teens and 20s, coldest spots in the single digits. This is our Saturday, a quiet weather day with lots of sunshine here. You can see it's only going to be 40 and 50 degree high temperatures for most, a couple low 60s down south. So a kind of wintertime chill is still established. You know, some north breezes. We're talking wind gusts to 15 in the strongest spots, though, tomorrow afternoon. That's going to be nice compared to what we deal with today. This is Sunday when temperatures start to take off on us. We're back up above average on the thermometer. Warmest spots still, though, not hitting 70 in southern New Mexico. Patchy clouds around on Sunday, but overall it's just going to be a pleasant weather day. And I know we've got a little breeziness around the southern and eastern edges of the state, but those are wind gusts in the teens to around 20. Northwest New Mexico Four Corners area, impact weather day due to the expectation of snow showers and light snow accumulations off the mountains and also some gusty winds. Highs just barely above freezing in most spots. We're down in the teens tonight. Saturday only brings us to 41. Hey, we're in the 50s by Sunday. How warm does it get into the middle of next week? Several afternoons in the lower 60s expected. Here's southwest New Mexico, between about 50 and 60 degrees generally. Impact winds hitting the southwest corner of the state here today, but I think any chance that snow stays north. 54 Saturday, 57 Sunday, then it's 60s towards lower 70s as we march through next week. Here's southeast New Mexico. We're in the 60 to almost 70-degree range today. That front doesn't really bring the chill until the weekend. Note after we get blasted by the impact winds today and areas of blowing dust are expected. We've got 20s on the thermometer tonight. We'll keep it in the upper 50s Saturday, Sunday, but it's 60s, 70s, 80s. Awaiting for us next week. Here's northeast New Mexico, and we may get brushed by a little bit of the wintry mix or the snow showers. Up on the mountains, there's a better chance at snow showers, but we're under a high wind warning in Las Vegas. We'll look for a peak wind gust maybe to 70 today. That could result in some wind damage. Only 45 Saturday, 55 Sunday. Look at those numbers in the upper 60s into the middle of next week. North central New Mexico in on this chance, certainly for flurries and snow showers, light snow accumulation possible. It'll get blown around and make for difficult travel conditions. Only 40 today in Santa Fe, 52 by Sunday. We're in the 60s by the middle of next week. For the Albuquerque Metro, highs right around 50 today as those winds blast us one more time here. Peak wind gusts to about 50 expected. I suppose a light wintry mix shower can't be ruled out, most of it to the north. Only 51 Saturday. We'll keep it below 60 Sunday, but close. Look at those lower 70s, challenging records by Wednesday and Thursday of next week.